Welcome everyone, it's me back again with another sound design video. I was recently thinking about singing and using a vocal synth for some extra singing quality, and because I'm not a singer, I've never been singing. I was kind of trying to sing, but you know how it is. So today we'll be singing and then turning a shitty voice into something that sounds cool, maybe usable, hopefully. So I'll need some lyrics first. Okay, so there's this page, song lyrics generator. Please give us a word to inspire your song. Sidechain. Maybe granular synthesis. My band name is Spaghetti Producer. Write me a song. Our love is like a depression. Everyone is beautiful sometimes. But what is granular synthesis in it? Oh, choose a first line from the options below. Okay. I've been hearing Fluid Waters. What's this? Choose the next line from the options below. Where is granular synthesis in it? I wanna be a part of your tights. Where's granular synthesis, I'm asking? Fluid Waters. Fluid Waters. Granular synthesis. Granular synthesis. Oh yeah. Granular synthesis. That actually sounds pretty good. Pretty good. That sounds pretty nice, actually. I gotta put some reverb on this. Yeah, that sounds really cool, actually. Let's listen to the dry signal and let's see what actually happens. Granular synthesis. To be honest, my voice isn't that bad, actually. I could learn how to sing properly, get some more consciousness in terms of singing, and actually, I think it can be pretty cool vocal. But anyways, granular synthesis. Granular synthesis. That's like a chill, airy voice. That's what I was going for. And if we add this vocal synth, granular synthesis. Granular synthesis. Granular synthesis. So I'm gonna show you the chain. There are several what these are, modules that allows you to change the sound. These are like synths. It works kind of like a vocoder. It basically is running some sync saw waves and it's pitch tracking and it's kind of playing it with the synths. It's something like that. It's vocal synth, so you know, just like Biovox. With a couple of options. Basically, all you need to do is just go to each sections and just set saw waves or just waveforms and just mess with pitch. That's basically all. That's a bit reducer. Sounds really cool. So I'm showing these all settings. If you want to copy them, then go ahead. Yeah, and the first one. Yeah, that's the sync. I combine all together. I'm using also some distortion. As you can see, I made this rack so I don't need to open this plugin and I can control a lot of parameters with just the knobs here. So basically these are just dry wet knobs from Vocal Synth. So I just can close Vocal Synth and operate on these, which is really useful. I can also blend my voice, which was on default. The default setting is this. If we bleed some voice, granular synthesis, we get some mids because this is actually being pitched up. Granular synthesis. That's a normal pitch. if you want to pitch this up, then you go to this section in each settings and you just adjust pitch. That's what's happening with this knob.
Granular synthesis, granular synthesis, granular synthesis, granular synthesis.
Yeah, let's sing something like let's take some lyrics. Why would you go and throw it away? Holding on to fading love. Holding on to fading love. Holding on to fading love.
Holding on to fading love. Holding on to fading love.
Yeah, okay, better.
Broken pieces on the ground.
Okay, I'm gonna try and record another take. How it goes?
Holding on to fading love. Holding on to fading love.
Holding on to fading love. Holding on to fading love.
Holding on to fading love. Holding on to fading love.
Yeah, I need a metronome. Holding on to fading love. Holding on to fading love. What was that?
Holding on.
Holding on to fading love. Holding on to fading love.
Holding on to fading love. Holding on to fading love.
Interesting, I would say. You don't even need to have any skills in singing. It just sounds pretty nice. Let's so I added this mid-mod compressor. I'm gonna be releasing soon a lot of racks like this mid-mod compressor, this vocal synth, CleanVox, but I'll do Portal, High Sparkles, and some more effect racks along with Ableton instruments. So that's gonna be really cool.
Holding on to fading love. 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 Holding on to fading love.
Okay, that's not that bad actually. I would accept this being in a song and like hearing this in this quality, and I know it's super out of tune. You don't need to tell me in the comments right now. Stop writing this comment that you started writing.
Why would you go and throw it away?
Let's try duplicating this and see what it's gonna sound.
Why would you go and throw it away? Why would you go and throw it away? Holding on to fading love. 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 Why would you go and throw?
Cool, so if you enjoyed this video, I hope you did. Side channel subscribe button. I am publishing twice a week now, which is amazing. 2 videos a week, 8 videos a month, a lot of sound design content. That was insane. Have a nice day. See you in the next one.